In war, there are no unwounded soldiers. Each of these photos is a moment in history. People, events, destinies. Today, we bring them to life in color and step into the past. The faces captured in these images witness things that now exist only in books and archives. Some marched into battle, others waited for letters from the front, and some were building the future. These images are silent witnesses to historic change. Every glance, every smile, every shadow of exhaustion is history coming to life before our eyes. These people lived in a different time, yet their emotions remain familiar to us today. Behind each photograph lies a story, sometimes joyful, sometimes tragic. These faces may belong to heroes whose names are recorded in history books, or to ordinary people simply trying to survive. But now, their stories are visible in color. War changed the world, leaving behind millions of memories. These photographs are a window into the past, allowing us to see those who lived through those times. We look into their eyes and understand. History is not just dates and facts, it's people, their dreams, fears, and hopes. These photos are more than just images. They are the voices of the past, speaking to us today. If you find these stories fascinating, subscribe and share which images moved you the most. History is more than words. In textbooks sits the emotions, struggles, and triumphs of real people. Through these photographs, we witness moments of courage, sacrifice, and resilience, forever frozen in time. The battlefield, the home front, the moments of victory and loss. Each image tells its own unique story. The soldiers standing in formation, the weary nurses tending to the wounded, the families anxiously waiting for news. These are the untold stories that deserve to be seen and remembered. As the past fades into black and white, we restore its colors, giving new life to forgotten faces. Every wrinkle, every uniform, every these details bring us closer to understanding history, not just as a series of events, but as the lived experiences of those who came before us.